After you see this video, you'll never look at burritos the same way. We aren't making this kind of burrito, we're making bushi. For best results, homemade beans are a must for this recipe. When you're cooking with fresh beans, you need to make sure you rinse them before using them. You have to remove all the foreign objects. The recipe that works best for me when cooking my beans is for every 1 cup of beans, I mix 1 cup of water and 1 can of bean juice. The taste and texture is perfect every time. I go ahead and cook this on high heat for about 10 minutes. I like to use Recipe Ready Progresso brand rice. This flavor comes seasoned with celery, carrots, and chicken. I just dig out the amount of rice I want for my burrito. Next, you want to go ahead and get your burrito wrappers ready. I like to use Tortilleria tortillas. Besides having the best texture and flavor of all tortilla brands I've tried, the quality is unmatched. Next, we're going to go ahead and check on our beans and give them a stir. These can get really hot, so if you have some 6-foot tongs like I do, these will allow you to stir from a distance so you don't get burned. Next, add your beans, your rice. You're going to go ahead and make it rain. Add your cream. And I didn't have any chicken, so I'm just going to add some pepper. For best results, you want to pack your burrito as tight as you can. Throw it in the fridge for an hour. Give it some fancy slices. Put it on a nice metal tray. Make it rain. Add some black pepper. Chicken substitute. Go ahead and bake it for 410,000 milliseconds. Add some green things, red things. Do some fancy stuff. Done. Taste test.